Hey everybody, it's Connor and
Michael!
And we're from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion coins and bars shipped to you worldwide and across Australia. What do we got here, Michael?
We have one of the things I love Scottsdale stuff.
Scottsdale.
I hate the way they package because it always takes me ages to get in because they do such a good job of it. But I love the products they produce. And this is a fractional Scottsdale round. So I've been looking forward to these coming in for a while, and the mongrels delivered half the order of other stuff and they didn't include this with it, so this has been dragged out for many months.
Are you looking forward to it? Is this an exciting item for you, or is this...
It's just, the quality is great of the product they produce. You'll see in a second. So it's, well, in a minute anyway. You'll see what I mean when I get into it. They're just they're nothing flash, nothing fancy. They're just a well-produced half-ounce round coin, whatever you'd like to call them. Assuming what's in here is actually what I think what's in here.
Well, here's the moment of truth.
It is. I may need a glove, I think, and I haven't grabbed one. All right, one glove magically appears. Alrighty. Very carefully. Oh yeah, I love these things. They're just a really simple, just basic, everyday, run-of-the-mill.
Oh, whoa.
Half-ounce silver coin.
Huh.
Round. Sorry, it's not a coin, it's a round.
And
then on the other side, and this is my favourite bit, the Scottsdale line.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
And they just do, like I said, it's a basic round, and it really is just a basic round. But it's beautiful. Its presentation, the only criticism I have is it doesn't have a capsule.
Oh, well, yeah, this is a unique item. It's literally half an ounce. It's quite a lot smaller than any other coin I've seen.
It is, and because they've shrunk the face down,
yeah.
It's actually, there's some half-ounce rounds out there that they try and still use the same or almost the same size planchet or face, and it becomes quite a thin coin. This one's actually, because they've shrunk it down to a proper half-ounce size or a proportional half-ounce size, you actually get that quite chunky, for a half-ounce, quite chunky edge. So you've got the reading on there with every other one gapped.
Yeah, nice. This is quite a stylized item. This is. Would you say that this is almost like a sort of like a brand promotion for Scottsdale? Like, why have Scottsdale made this?
Because they can, and they do. Like, I know that's a bit of a cop out of your question, but they are known for producing good quality stuff. So they've put the effort into it to make it not just a run-of-the-mill spit them out of a machine round, even though that's probably what they are. But they've put the effort, the time, the money in to actually produce a good-looking half-ounce round. So, and I think they've done a stellar job. Not a sterling job because it's pure.
That's just a nice little bullion joke for all you.
That's right. All my kids are currently rolling their eyes going, oh, there's Dad again.
So now, I know this is probably a bit of a silly question or topic, but the reason it's a round and not a coin is because it's not
a currency. It's not got a country's. It's not got the Queen's head on the back for Australia or Canada or any of those things, or recognised as a unit of money.
Yeah, so it's not like a legal tender anywhere.
Correct.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for showing us that one there, Michael.
No worries. We do have. I can't remember how many we bought. About 1,000. Might even be a few more than that. So we've got a few in. But, and look, it again, when you go fractional, the price increases. Absolutely it does on a per ounce or per kilo basis, however you want to look at it. But they aren't ridiculously expensive. They're pretty good, which is why we got them in. We do have them. We've got a few, so you've probably got a couple of weeks to grab hold of them, but I'm not guaranteeing I can get them in again because they were a pain in the butt to get through. So, yeah, grab them while you can is probably what I'm saying at the end of the day.
All right, well, we'll see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See ya. I'll keep yawning.